Welcome to the 12 Tenses course, where you will be able to use and master all the tenses of the English language. My name is Khalid Dugri, and I'll be leading you through the course. I began my career in 2012 as an English teacher. Currently, I work for a global company for teaching English, and I studied a master's degree in the applied linguistics field. This course is designed for anyone seeking to understand the English grammar, specifically the 12 tenses of the English language. By the end of the course, you will be able to master all the tenses and use them in their proper situations. In this course, I'll be explaining every tense in depth. In each tense, we will be covering 6 main aspects: the form of the tense, the use of the tense in the negative form, the tense in the question form, the tense in the timeline, and some commonly used words in the tense. At the end, you will find all the lessons of the course in a PDF file, in addition to an exam that will help you evaluate your understanding of the course. So not only I will go over the detail of each tense, but you will also practice it at the end of the course. And I'll walk you through all the tenses step by step. The ideal student for this course is a student who has some difficulties in understanding some tenses, an English speaker who speaks English as a second language but faces some problems with using each tense in the proper situation, or English teachers who want to expand their knowledge about the tenses. There are no requirements necessary to enroll. I only ask that you come open-minded and ready to learn. Feel free to have a look at the course description, and I look forward to see you inside.